Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about set. First of all, we will see the definition of a collection of well-defined objects is called set. Collection of well-defined objects is called a set. First one, we will see the example of the set. First one is collection of natural number is a set. Second one is collection of a group of member of parliament is called a set. Third one is group of intelligent people is not a set. Set is usually denoted by capital letters such as A, B, C, etc. We can denote the set by capital letters A, B or C. A, B, C, D. We can represent the set by capital letters. Now we will see the representation of set. How to represent the set? There are two types of representation of set. One is roster form and second one is set builder form. In roster form, we can see that A is a set, collection of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We can represent this set in set builder form like A is a collection of odd numbers less than 10, or we can write that like this. This is 2n minus 1. This is called such that. This is called such that, where n belongs to n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one is we can take example of B equal to A, E, I, O, U. This is the collection of vowels. We will see the most important thing about set, that the elements of the set can't be repeated, and order of the elements doesn't make any sense in the set. That is, we can't repeat any element in the set, and order doesn't matter. Order of the element doesn't matter in the set. We can see the examples. If we take a collection of digits of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 6 is, if we denote this the collection of digits of this number by A, we will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here we can see that 1 comes twice, but we have written this we have written 1 only once in this set. We have taken an example, s equal to x belongs to r. This is the equation, that is equal to 10. We have to find the number of elements in s. That is, we have to find such x which is real that satisfies this equation. We will take first root 3 plus root 2 to the power x equal to y. we can see that here root 3 minus root 2 is a multiplicative inverse of this. We can write root 3 minus root 2 to the power x equal to 1 by root 3 plus root 2 to the power x, which is 1 by y. Now this equation will simplify as y plus 1 by y equal to 10. Now we will solve this equation. This equation becomes y square minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. Then y will be 10 plus or minus root under 100 minus 4 by 2, which will be simplified as 5 plus minus 2 root 6. Now we will put the value of y here and find the value of x. We will take first y equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Here we can see that y we have taken as root 3 plus root 2 to the power x equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. We can see that this is the square root of root 3 plus root 2 to the whole square root of this. Now we can compare the powers from here. We can compare the powers. Base is same. We can compare the power. We can get x equal to 2. Now we will take another value of y, 5 minus 2 root 6. We can see that here y is root 3 plus root 2 to the power x equal to, this is the square root of root 3 minus root 2. We can write this as 1 by root 3 plus root 2 whole square of root 3 plus root 2. Now we root 3 plus root 2 to the power x will become, this will become root 3 plus root 2 to the power minus 2. Now by comparing the powers of these two, we can get x equal to minus 2. We get x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. Both are real. Then the collection, then the number of elements in S is 2. Thank you.